guys, welcome back to my channel. So andito tayo ngayon sa Walgreens. So kukuha tayo ng tatlong Tide. So ayan yung ating Tide. And punta na naman tayo dito sa ating hi guys! Nakauwi na kami galing Walgreens. So, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung magkano yung aking gastos. Okay? Na yung aking napamili doon sa Walgreens. So, yung total lahat ng aking items guys is $26.95. So, ito siya is $4.99 times 3 is equals to $14.97. But then, kapag mayroon silang promotion dito, kapag bibili ka ng tatlo is makaka-receive ka ng $5 register reward. And next naman dito sa ating Dove na buy one, get one 50% off. And then, at the same time, kapag bibili ka ng dalawa, makaka-receive ka ng 1,000 points. And then, aside from that guys is, gumamit ako doon sa ating spend 25, get back 5,000 points. So, unlimited use yun siya. So, i-clip mo lang yun sa, sa account mo. Okay? And then, yung mga ginamit ko na coupon is digital coupon and ito yung ginamit kong coupon sa ating Dove. So, buy one, get one free. Okay? Mai-expire na siya this coming July 4th. And then, allowed tayong gumamit ng dalawa. So, isa lang yung ginamit ko guys. Okay? And then, yung sa Tide naman guys is gumamit ako ng dalawang coupon. Hindi ko na maipakita kasi ubos na siya. And then, yung isa naman is digital coupon. So, yung total lahat ng aking coupon is $12. Then, i-minus natin yun sa ating total lahat ng $26.95. So, yung bagong total na lang natin is $14.95. So, ito siya yung aking resibo. So, as you can see, at yung ating Dove is buy one, get one 50% off. So, yung price ng isa is $8.49. And then, yung ating namang body wash na main care is $3.49. And then, yung ating Tide. So, dito na yung ating Tide na tatlo. And then, this one is, yung sa Dove is $6 yung nabawas. And then, tatlong take $2 for our Tide. So, yung aking subtotal is $14.95. So, ito yung aking binayaran. But then, guys, naka-receive tayo ng, even though nag-buy tayo ng $14.95, meron tayong na-receive na 11,000 points. Okay, so ito yung na-receive natin doon sa spend 25, get back 5,000 points. And then, yung 5 naman is doon sa aking spend booster na make purchase and then get 5,000 points. Okay, so I need to spend $10 each. So, yan. So, na-reach ko na yung pang-anim. Kaya binigyan nila ako ng 5,000 points. At yung $1 naman is from this, sa ating Dove. Okay? And remember, diba, bibigyan tayo ng $5 register reward. So, yung napuntahan kong Walgreens is sira daw yung machine. So, yung cashier natin is nag-offer na bibigyan na lang nila ako ng points, which is good kasi hindi na hassle para sa akin na mag-email pa sa Catalina. So, ito yung ginawa ng ng cashier, ng manager. Tinawag niya yung manager. So, ito yung ginawa niya. So, yan. So, as you can see, meron tayo ditong 5,000 points, equivalent yan sa $5. So, yan. So, yung ating total lahat ng natanggap natin sa store na binili natin ito is $16, guys. From this one, remember, 11,000 points and then 5,000 points. So, equivalent yan sa $16 or 16,000, and then i-minus natin yung ngayon yung nagastos natin na $14.95. So, suma total, yung ating new total na lang is free ang lahat ng item na nasa harapan nyo, and at the same time, money maker, we make $1.05. And that's it, guys. So, hanggang dito na lang yung aking video, and please subscribe and click the notification para ma-update ka sa aking bagong videos. Bye-bye!